How to fix unable to open JPG files in Windows 11 issue. 1. Check the file names for JPG images by enabling file name extension setting. 2. Google then try some photo repair. Software on the web. 3. Reset or repair. The Photos app 4. Run GetApps package for each apps package. Disable development mode register $_install location \fxmanifest.xml command in PowerShell as administration 5. Update the Photos app via Microsoft Store. 6. SFC and DISM commands. Commands include sfc/scanodism/online/cleanupimage/scan healthdism/online/cleanupimage/check healthdism/online/cleanupimage/restore health 7. Change the default image viewer app.